Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crochet hook holder or crochet pen holder. This is what it looks like. Before we get started, we need to prepare all the materials. We need 2 yarns, 1, 2, we need 1 scissor, we need 1 yarn needle, we need 1 crochet hook with 8/0 or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Now, let's get started. We get the 2 yarns and 1 crochet hook. Then let's make a magic ring. Here's how. First, this yarn, let's get the, and place that. Then, second yarn, get this, and combine these two to make a magic ring. Let's make a magic ring. Now, let's make a magic ring. Turn your yarn like this. Turn it clockwise. And hold the tip of your yarn like this. Here. And get your hook. Place your hook between your index finger and your middle finger here. Place your hook here and then make a chain 1, then we will make 8 single crochet around this magic ring like this. And here's the chain 1. Here's the chain 1. Then we'll make 7 chains plus 7 chains to make it 8 chains. Now let's count. Here's the first chain, second chain, third chain, fourth chain, fifth chain, sixth chain. Then we need 2 plus 2. 7, 8. Now we have 8 chains already. Then grab this to fit it, to make it circle. Now we have 8 chains. This is the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here's the number 8. Now we will make a slip stitch. First, we need to make it tight here. Then get your hook. Now, after completing the 8 chains, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8 chains. Now we will slip stitch here to make it 9 stitches. Now we have 9 stitches after slip stitching. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9. Now we will make a 1 chain. In this, we will make a 2 single crochet here.